Kabul residents say that they are facing a lack of clean drinking water and are standing in queues for hours to get a single barrel of clean water. They want the Islamic Emirate to start the Panjshir River water project in Kabul province as promised. More details in this report.
The capital Kabul, the city where nearly 7 million people live, but most of its residents do not have access to clean drinking water. They want the Islamic Emirate to solve the problem of drinking water. The Islamic Emirate had promised to bring the water from the Panjshir River. If this happens, it will be beneficial in two ways. First, the water quality is good, and second, we have been facing a water shortage. This will be especially helpful for Kabul city. May Allah grant the Islamic Emirate ability to connect the water as soon as possible. The water in Kabul city has decreased and this area has no water at all. We heard the news that the Islamic Emirate is transferring water from the Panjshir River to Kabul, and if this is done, it will greatly ease the situation for the people. Officials of the Ministry of Energy and Water under the Islamic Emirate say that they have completed the survey and design work of the Panjshir River water transfer project to address the water shortage problem of Kabul residents and have sent it to the leadership of the Islamic Emirate for approval. The survey, design and technical studies for this project have been completed by the Minister of Water and Energy. The project has been submitted to the leadership of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan for approval. Once it is approved and the budget is available, the project will begin. Some experts in the field of water management say that in addition to Panjshir River water transfer project to Kabul, the citizens of Kabul and the government should jointly avoid digging deep wells to raise the groundwater level and should also dig wells to restore rainwater. The solutions to this problem are not short-term, and there is a fundamental solution in the long term. In the short term, the only way to slightly reduce the severity of the crisis is for Kabul city residents to save water consumption and absorb snow and rainwater. The Ministry of Energy and Water says that it has managed the water of the Pashto and Arghandi to increase the groundwater level and has also dug 3,600 deep wells in different areas of Kabul to store rainwater. The water from Pashto and Arghandi valleys, which used to flow out of Kabul city, has been controlled. The water from Pashto Valley has been directed to Qarqadam, while the water from Arghandi Valley has been diverted into existing ponds. This has raised the underground water level in nearby areas. Around 3,600 absorption wells have been dug in various parts of the city. This comes at a time when the Ministry of Energy and Water commissioned the Shahana Rose Dam in Shakardara, Kabul this year, which will provide clean drinking water to about 20,000 families.